Ignoring this tiny muscle could quietly destroy your performance, control, and confidence as a man. It's not your abs or biceps, it's the pelvic floor. Weak? Expect leaks during laughs, zero stamina in bed, and that nagging fear of losing your edge. I've been there. 30 seconds, busy dad, hitting the gym hard but crumbling where it counts. Sound familiar? Stick around. I'll show you how to fix it in minutes a day. That tiny muscle? Your pelvic floor. It holds your bladder, supports erections, controls ejaculation. Ignore it after 30 and boom, stress incontinence hits 1 in 3 men. Gym rats leak mid-squat. Dads dribble post-kids. In bed, premature finish or zero staying power. I lost confidence, avoided dates, felt less manly. Prostate issues? It worsens them. Busy life, no time? This sneaks up, stealing your control quietly. But you can rebuild it naturally. No gym, no pills. Kegel exercises for men. Squeeze, hold, release those muscles. Backed by Mayo Clinic. Boosts bladder control 70%. Erection strength 40%. Stamina. I regained control in 2 weeks. Safe for all ages 18 to 45, from USA desks to Pakistan offices. Hope? Yes. Fear turns to unbreakable confidence. Benefits hit hard. 1. Bladder control. No more post-workout drips. 2. Stronger erections. Better blood flow. Lasting power. 3. Ejaculation mastery. Delay on command. 4. Core stability. Lift heavier. 5. Prostate health. Cut risks. 6. Confidence explosion. Own intimacy again. Thousands fixed this. Your turn. Find it. Stop pee midstream. That's the squeeze. No urine? Pretend. Step 1. Lie down, knees bent. Squeeze 5 seconds. Relax 5. 10 reps. Step 2. Sit. Same. Build to 10 seconds hold. Step 3. Stand. Add walks. Daily, 5 minutes. Breathe normal. No butt clench. Feel it? Progress in days. Demo now. Follow me. Make it stick. Morning, 5 minutes lying. Lunch, sits. Evening, stands. Track in app. Week 1, basics. Week 2, holds to 20 seconds. Avoid overdue, rest days. Pair with walks. I did it commuting Toronto to gym. Now, unbreakable. You've got the fix. Don't wait for leaks or letdowns. Start today. Own your masculinity. Download free tracker below. Comment Kegels for reminders. Regain control. Be the man you are. Questions? Drop them.